To blur your video background, first of all, select the video clip and you have to select here the first part of your video. Make sure it's 000. Now go to Effect Controls and here select Effects and search here Gaussian Blur and add the Gaussian Blur effect to your video clip. Now under Effect Controls, here you will find Gaussian Blur. Select the pen tool and now you have to draw your video subject, or you have to select your video subject just like this. Select your video subject and after that here you have to click on this mask icon and click on this play button. This will track your progress for your video subject selection. It may take some minutes. Once the tracking progress finish, now here you have to enable this inverted option and blurriness. Give the amount of blurriness value you want. I'm adding 50% and here you can see the final result.